So today I'm going to be showing you the most efficient and overall best way that you can create prompts to create videos that you like on Sora 2. Now, as you can see here, the videos are extremely realistic, but in order to get them to the quality and exact, aspects that you want, you need to basically understand how to prompt correctly. And, not everybody understands how to prompt correctly to get the exact imagery that they'd like. So the best way to do this, especially if you don't understand how to do prompts perfectly, is to simply go to ChatGPT and have it do it for you. So the best way you can do this is by simply giving it a concept of what you're creating and what platform you're going to be using it on. So for instance, here I said I'm creating a video that is 15 seconds on Sora 2. It's important to state the platform. I need you to create a prompt for me that creates a super realistic scene of a bunch of dogs playing basketball. Make sure there's palm trees in the back, and one of the dogs shoots and scores and the others yell Kobe. So that way it's very descriptive. We want it to the dogs to actually say something in this case, and we're giving it exact context of what we want, and then you can go ahead and click enter, and it's going to go ahead and create it for you. And then if there's certain things you don't like about the prompt, you can go ahead and tell ChatGPT to correct it, and then you can copy the prompt and simply paste it into Sora. So for instance, we have it here. Ultra-realistic cinematic scene of a group of dogs playing basketball on an outdoor court in Los Angeles at golden hour. Palm trees swaying, and it basically gives the descriptive aspects of what you'd want, and to make sure that Sora understands exactly what it is that we're creating. The other dogs celebrate wildly and yell Kobe, and basically it's exactly what we want, and it's emphasizing that you want high quality film look, shallow depth, crisp motion. These are things that you typically wouldn't think about, and ChatGPT knows to put it into the prompt. Now, for instance, we have it here that it's ultra realistic, golden hour, palm trees. If there's something you'd want to change, you can go ahead and ask it to switch that. For instance, please make sure they are golden retrievers. I didn't mean to do that in all caps, but maybe it'll get the point here. So, say less, full golden boy squad, and it goes ahead and basically gives us the prompt that we can utilize in Sora now, and we can test it out. And once again, if this doesn't work out the way that we want, we can always come back to ChatGPT and correct the prompt, or just correct it in Sora as we like. So as we can see here, we're going to go ahead and describe our video of what we want. We're going to paste the prompt, and we're going to adjust it to, we'll do it in portrait. That way, if we wanted to basically publish it as like a short or a TikTok, you can. You can do landscape if you're making some sort of YouTube video, but in this case we're not. In duration, we will go for 15 seconds. That way we get like a really long, or as long as we possibly can, video generation from Sora 2. So let's go ahead and click enter. This typically takes, 1 to 2 minutes, depending on how big the video is and how descriptive it is. So we're going to give it a couple minutes, and we'll come back and see what it looks like. And then just like that, it'll appear in your drafts that you can see over here in your notifications. So you can go ahead and click it and then open it up. And then at a first glance, that's essentially what we like. And when I listened through the full time initially, they do actually say Kobe. The only critique that I would have with this is just basically that if you notice, you watch the whole thing, that the dog doesn't actually score when I asked it to score. So if that were to happen, and I'm like, let's say I wanted to post this, I would go back now. I would go back to ChatGPT and make it emphasize in the prompt that I want the dog to score. And then I'd come back to Sora, put it in, and then it would probably work. And then at that point, once you're done with the video, you can redo it. And if it's something that you do like, you can go ahead and choose to either, let me turn this down, you can either choose to post it on Sora directly, because it is a somewhat of a social app now, and or you can just simply go ahead and download it right up here. You would right click the 3 and download it, the 3 dots, and download it right here, and you'd have the file on your computer free to post. And you can also download the Sora app directly on your phone, as that does exist now. You can download the Sora app and simply create these images and videos through your phone app. So that's basically it. That's how easy it is to create a ideal, almost perfect video generation using Sora 2 by having the prompt be created from ChatGPT by simply telling it what you want and then fine-tuning it after the fact. That way Sora will have all the details that it needs from ChatGPT, understanding the exact language and prompt generation of Sora 2. So hopefully you guys found this video helpful. If you did, please like and subscribe, and have a nice day.